Just a little addition to the end of the series, the Hacker RV14. Looking through the service manual, just perusing it really, just to see what was in there. I've come across a frequency response test of the amplifier, specifying that it's got a frequency response of plus or minus 3 dB from 20 Hz to 20 kHz, which is something else really for a desktop radio, especially as the speaker can't really produce much over about 10 kHz anyway. So I thought it'd be interesting to try it, see if it really is still as good as that after, well, over 50 years of use, 55, 60 years of use. This dates from a sort of probably 52, 53 maybe, this set. So what I'm doing is I'm feeding we've got the HP8903 on, and it's connected the output of the HP8903 to the input of the amplifier, and there's a jack on the back for a tape recorder or something like that. So I'm feeding the audio into the power amp stage of the Hacker, and the output has been taken through the transformer and fed back. So the speaker's still connected, so it's got a load, and as you can hear there, 1 kHz tone, and as you see it's got 0.5% distortion. Well, really that's pretty bloody impressive for an old radio like this. 0.5% distortion is pretty good going. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a sweep, and obviously you won't be able to hear me because I need the load on the amplifier. You can't run valve equipment unloaded, because you can run into problems with if there's no load on the transformer, you can get sort of big spikes of voltage in the transformer that can cause it to fail on the output stage. And I've actually seen it where the valves actually flash over if you overdrive it too much with no speaker load. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set up a sweep. So with a start frequency of 20 Hz and a stop frequency of 20 kHz. And then we'll set our reference point like we did before. So we'll go frequency 20, no we won't, we'll go frequency 1 kHz. Remember how to do this, so we want to go, so we're doing level, AC level, and we're doing relative in dB. So if I do a sweep now, it should show us our frequency response. We're using 1 kHz as the, it says actually it should be about 160 millivolts, let's just check that again. Let's turn it to 160 millivolts. Oh, this is at 1 watt level, okay. So 19.0 special, should be wattage. Now you probably won't be able to hear anything when I do this, so I'm going to turn the volume up and I'm going to stop talking. Remember how to do it? Okay, sweet. Ready? That's amazing. So we've got a shifting level of about 1 dB from 20 Hz to 20 kHz. I would never have believed that until I've actually seen it. That shows how much attention Hacker paid to audio amplifier design. rather wasted really in the speaker itself, but of course connected to a proper hi-fi speaker, this set would have really performed very well. So interesting, just goes to show that all the raving about Hacker's audio quality is absolutely true. You've got more or less ruder flat response all the way from 20 Hertz, and you could hear the speaker. You probably can't hear it in the speakers of the camera, but that Goodman speaker was really shaking the room, which is quite impressive really. So yeah, thanks for watching, and some more stuff to come.